Heyo! Welcome to a very special episode of Brave Kids Art Club. If you'll notice, it's not a Monday, Wednesday, or a Friday. Those are the days that we typically do our art class, but today is very special. Do you know why? Oh, yeah, okay. My backpack kind of gave it away again. Yes, we are going on a field trip. I love going on these field trips because I get to introduce you to so many of my very talented artist friends. And I know you guys love them too and have been asking to bring them back because we haven't gone on a field trip in a long time. But now, today, we get to go on a really fun one to visit my friend, Denise Holmes. Denise is a super talented children's book illustrator, so you are going to love her stuff. And guess what? She loves drawing animals. So we're gonna go check out her studio. She's gonna show us some of the books that she's illustrated, and then she's gonna be teaching us how to draw some animals. Yes, animals, multiple animals. So this is gonna be a very special episode. I'm so excited. All right, are you guys ready to meet her? Awesome, okay. Hey, Denise.
Hi, Brad, thanks for having me. My name is Denise Holmes, and I'm a picture book illustrator. I live in Chicago, Illinois, and this is my studio. Welcome! So I get to spend my days making illustrations for picture books. I have illustrated 19 books. Can you believe it? And I thought I would show you some of them. So let's take a look. All right, are you guys ready to see all my picture books? This is my first picture book. It's called If I Wrote a Book About You. And it's been translated in Korean. How cool is that? My next book was a series called Not Till Tomorrow, Phoebe, and Phoebe Sounds It Out. I've done a book called Where Are the Words? I've done a series of yoga books. I've done another book with a Korean publisher, and it's called Mommy's Hand Warmer. I've gotten to illustrate 3 activity books. We Love Nature, the giant book of creativity for kids, and my newest one is called Mindfulness for Little Ones. And my favorite books that I've illustrated are baby board books. So these are for little babies, and they're really hard. And there's only about 8 pages inside. So the first series is called Are These My Ears? And I have done 4 of these, and I love drawing these animal characters. They are my favorite. And I've done a series called Is This My Tail? So today I thought that we could come up with our own characters for a picture book using simple shapes. We're gonna draw and make up some characters using half circles. So let's see what we can come up with. Come join me over at my desk. So are you guys ready to figure out what kind of character we can make with a half circle? I got some of my supplies. I got all my favorite color pencils, but you can use whatever supplies you want. Markers, pencils, crayons, pens, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna pick this pretty dark green color. Let's see, what kind of animal could we make out of a half circle? Maybe we could add a shape right here. Oh, I know what this is gonna be. Can you guys guess? That's right. It's gonna be a turtle. It definitely looks like a turtle shell. What do you think? So it doesn't matter how good it looks. If it's not exact, it doesn't matter. It's just for fun. I just like to draw the legs like that. I put this one in the back, behind the line, but you can do whatever you want. Those are his toes. Let's see, maybe we should give him a little belly. I think that's a good idea. Give him some stripes. And most important, our turtle needs an eye. So let's give him a nice big eye. And our turtle needs a smile. Let's figure out what kind of shell this turtle has. Come up with some fun designs. So here's the bottom part. Maybe we'll add some stripes to go with the belly. And then I'm going to add a circle on top. And some circles here. perfect. Maybe we can add some pattern. What do you guys think? I really am liking stripes today. Maybe we'll do this. What do you think? And this is gonna have some polka dots. Because what turtle doesn't have polka dots? Another green. What should this be? Oh, I know. Some thick stripes. What do you think? How about one more? It doesn't have to be perfect. I like mine a little messy and not so perfect. And let's see, the top, oh, it has to have something good, don't you think? Maybe I'll add a flower to it. What do you think? And last, I'm gonna add a hat, because all good characters need a good accessory, right? This one just needs a little stem. And we'll make it an orange flower. Ah. And I'm gonna just add some lines, make it look like a straw hat. And my favorite part, I add rosy cheeks to most of my characters because they are so happy. What do you think? Look what you can make with a half circle. I have one more sheet with 4 half circles right here, and I thought we could come up with a few more. For this one, what color should we use? Maybe we'll add some brown. Okay, so I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna add a line here, and a line here, and a line here. Can you guys guess what this is yet? Close. I'm gonna color this in. Okay. My character definitely needs some eyes, so let's fill in the eyes here. We'll draw 2 big circles and then 2 more circles. What do you think? Can you tell what it is? Definitely needs a beak and some feet. Just kind of squiggle some lines, and I'm gonna give my owl some curly feathers. And to finish him off, we'll add some lines to his wings. And there's my owl. What do you guys think? All right, what about for this half circle? What are you guys thinking? We've done a turtle, an owl. I think I know what this needs to be. Okay. We're gonna add 2 lines here, 2 lines here, a half circle. Any idea? The fun thing about drawing with shapes is that you can make it into whatever you want. And it's so easy. And so much fun. Have you guys figured it out yet? I think you'll know once I do this. 2 circles for the eyes. I like big round eyes. And most important, catching a fly. So I think we'll add some circles to our frog to really finish him off. What do you think? And there's our frog. Okay, we have 2 more half circles. I think I have an idea for this one. Something underwater. So let's trace the top of our half circle. And I'm going to add 2 circles for the eyes. And we got a mouth. This one's smiling. Oh, I almost forgot on my frog. Now that I see it. Some rosy cheeks. Back to this guy. Okay. Do you have any idea what this is? We need to add some squiggly lines now. 8 of them. So let's count. 1, 2. Sometimes I like to go over to this side. 3, 4, 5, 6, getting close here, 7, can we do it? 8, there we go. What do you guys think? We'll give some texture on our octopus. You know they have those little things underneath. What do you guys think? I think this is pretty fun. Let's add some water. It can be choppy waters. What do you think about that? Some bubbles. And some rosy cheeks. Okay, for this last one, I was thinking instead of making it into a character, we can make it into an object. So let's see, I got my gray. And we can make a little story out of this. So there's my shape. I'm just gonna give it some texture, like this, because you don't know what it is yet. And then I'm gonna draw something on top. We'll make this character orange. Can you tell what it is? Use a smiley face, and then we'll have it meeting a friend. My favorite thing to draw is mice, because they are so cute. I really would like a pet mouse. There's its little hand and its tail. It's gotta have pink ears inside where it's soft and fuzzy, and rosy cheeks. And my mouse is smiling because they're friends. Can't forget the mouse whiskers, right? And I think we're gonna have to put this by a garden. So we'll add some flowers. What do you guys think? We've got leaves. And this one's gonna have a long leaf because it's gonna be a tulip. And some grass. They're gonna be really hidden in this garden. And my tulip is gonna look like this. You draw another half circle with some lines on top, And you can fill it in. And now we have a little story with these guys. It was raining earlier that day, and Mouse was in the garden looking for some food when he came across his friend Worm. And so they started chatting, talking about their day and how beautiful the garden looked after the rain. And you can make up little stories like that too when you draw these shapes. And this one's going to have the green in the middle. And maybe, oh, I like that. You can make all sorts of different shaped flowers. Blue in the middle here. And how about orange in the middle of this flower? And this one is going to be longer. And what should the last one look like? I know. Like that. And there you go. Look at all the fun things you can make with the half circle. You can make owls. You can make a scene where the shape becomes a rock. You can draw an octopus. You can draw a frog catching a fly. And you can make your own turtle. Wasn't that fun? Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I think it is amazing how many different characters you can come up with such a simple shape. So why not take some more paper and try creating characters using a circle, an oval, a triangle, a square, and see what you can come up with. So if you're interested in finding a bit more information about me and to see all the kinds of work that I do and look at all my picture books, you can head over to my website below or check out my Instagram where I share lots of sketches and updates about what I am working on. And always remember, be brave, be creative, and most important, be you. Thanks for having me. Thank you, Brad.
Of course, thank you, Denise. Wow, Denise was awesome, and I'm so grateful for her taking the time to draw with us and to show us around her studio. I could not believe how many things you could draw with just one shape. We drew so many animals for just one shape. I'll bet you could try other shapes and do the same thing. Well, I think it's awesome that she gets to draw picture books for a living. Isn't that awesome? She gets to draw books for a living. So if you want to see some more of her work or even get some of her books, you can just look in the description below and it has all the links to everything for you. But check her out. She did such an amazing job today. We're so grateful for it. And thank you guys for showing up and doing these field trips with me. They're so much fun. And if you guys have any recommendations for somebody else you'd like to go on a field trip to, you just let me know. So, alrighty, we'll see you guys next time.